videotaping?
No, I am.
Okay. I'm Katie and I'm possessed. Mika. My ring's gone. Das ist nicht gut. I punched you. I have to pee. Don't videotape. What are you doing?
Watching you pee, yeah, no.
Don't watch me pee.
I'm crying, you little bitch. Can't you know? Do not pee on the possessed toilet.
It's called the toilet. Don't watch me wipe.
This is what we get when we're up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Crack?
I'm very ugly. I don't want you to see this.
You're see. Oh God, I'm getting raped.
I'm not raping you. No, I'm not that crazy.
That is your butt.
This is my snug.
Oh, do not get out of the possessed snuggie.
Oh, that's my boobie.
Oh, she's going to eat me.
Oh, are you dead yet? I think she's a dead. Yep, she's a dead. Oh no, she's not. You throw slaps, I throw punches.
You punched my booba.
You are a big boob.
You're a peakhead.
Oh, ow, my face. Ow. Ow, my face. You're a bitch.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Go to the toilet.
I can't. You're on me.
Oh. Where's the bucket?
We don't have.
I don't want earring.
My turn. Grandma's gonna come in here and kill us.
Oh, my stomach. I can't see.
Your turn.
This is my Venus pose. What are you doing? I got some wedgie. No. You think I wedgie. You are weird.
Shut up.
Don't look at me. Ooh, that was hot. That's really hurt.
You're like, ooh.
I'm gonna tell my husband on you.
Okay.
Ouch. My butt really hurts now. Am I ugly? Don't look at me.
Oh, dear God, I'm a get it.
You kicked it out of my hand.
No, you can't. You can't. Do not try to kill me.
Oh God. Your boob's on my hand.
Oh no, that just made it worse.
Oh no. Somebody spit in my vagina.
My hand's on your vagina. I dislike it a lot. Oh, she's a dead. Oh, my boobie, and she's humping me. This is not the supposed.
Oh
Oh, she's a dead.
You kicked my
Let me put
penis.
on my glass. Oh. What? What about my husband? Not being a girl? That's a good.
What?
I'm a nun. Oh no. You dropped it from my vagina.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, yes, I look gracefully. Don't touch my face. Oh, what are you doing? Why do you sound like a freak? You're retarded.
I'm possessed now.
Get her off of me. Get her off of me. Oh, don't put your hair in my face or
No.
I'll punch you with my snug. Now I got Alexis spit all up in my hair. Oh. Well, guess what I'm gonna do to your baby? Rub it on my vagina, then throw it.
Let's go with the kids.